have the carrier in the house so that we can carry Edith, and I wanted to try it out on Mavis. It takes me back to the days when she was still like really small. And I can't believe it's only been almost 2 years ago that she used to be in this carrier. The first time we started using it on Edith, I was having such a hard time, especially when you're in the car and you're trying to put it on. Like, there's just so many loops that sometimes I wear incorrectly. I just got my package for my new baby carrier from Mabe, and I want to show you guys and unbox it on camera and try it out since my daughter woke up from her nap. It looks like this when you open it. I wanted to get a carrier that would be easier for me to use, so I figured I'll try this one out. It feels really nice. This is my daughter. She is 2 months. She'll be 3 months on the 9th. So let's see if I can get her in this carrier. They say that they're meant for like 7 to 35 pounds, but how come like because you know how their legs are so short? They're supposed to sit in that like M position, you know? How come I feel like it's not comfortable for her because her legs are so short? Yeah. You'll be right next to mommy. I actually really like the print. Hi guys, it is Monday and it's 9:07 right now. I've been up, but we've just been laying on the air mattress, and I'm making my daughter a bottle because I did nurse her, but I can tell there's not enough milk for her, and I know she's hungry because she didn't really nurse throughout the night. She just slept. So I need to make this for her now, and then brush my teeth, wash my face. I didn't even get a chance to comb my hair last night because it was super wet when I went to bed, so I need to do that. It's literally really messy. My hair is so long right now. I have a hair appointment this Saturday and I cannot wait. And then just the other day my husband said that he's noticed that my hair's been falling out a lot because it's kind of all over the place. I've been really enjoying the convenience of sleeping in the living room because it's easy for me to nurse my daughter laying down, and if Mavis is watching a movie then I could be with her as well. I was joking with my husband that this is probably how we're gonna live because he's going back to work soon and it's gonna be tough. I am very nervous about being the only parent to take care of the both of them. Having him home is so helpful, and we each just tackle a kid and we switch off, and it just makes it so much easier. Since he's gonna be going back to work soon and it's just gonna be me solo parenting, it's gonna be tough. But the best thing that we have done for Edith is actually incorporating formula into her diet, because I know with just my milk it's not enough for her, and it has helped tremendously. I don't always have time to pump because sometimes Mavis wants me, or like I'm pumping and she needs me to go and do something for her. I do have the wireless pumps as well, but they don't pump as well as an actual wall plug-in one. We switch off with feeding, so I'll give her a bottle and then the next time she eats I'll nurse her, so we do that on and off. Mavis has been getting a lot more screen time than normal than what I would like, but sometimes you just have to do what you have to do, and she really enjoys watching Trolls right now. And I actually bought her the second and third movie. We have the first one. I actually have 2 DVDs of the first part. I couldn't remember if I bought it a long time ago, but she has 2 of the first part, and then I just ordered the second and third yesterday for her. The third one is on Netflix, but eventually it's gonna go away, and so I always still like to buy DVDs. Yeah. Cheese. Little cake. Lemon. You guys, this is how long my hair is. I could literally stretch it all the way out with my arm. I feel like I'm having more hair loss with the second time around versus with Mavis. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad. I'm only doing a haircut. I'm not doing a color because I can't decide if I want to stay light and do like a balayage again, or I want to go back to my natural hair color. My stylist is usually booked out at least 2 to 3 months, give or take, for color. I've come to realize that until I make a decision, my hair is probably going to be the length of Rapunzel's hair. Hi, Mama. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello. I placed an order on Amazon and got the Wildbird aerial carrier. The packaging is super cute. I love how they have a cutout of a bird so you can see which color you got, and it says a happy place for your little bird. So I thought that was really cute. I went with this color so that way it's more like universal. It's super cute. It's so pretty. I love the way it looks. So according to the seat adjustments for the newborn, it shows you the amount of buttons and which one to snap in for the weight of your baby. I'm going to do these two right here that are closest to the middle of the waistband. It's a little bit difficult to get to this one in here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm just moving this part and then trying to make room so that I could snap the two together. So the difference between this one and the Mabe with the waist adjustment is that with the Mabe one, it's just Velcro. So sometimes you feel like you're not pushing it all the way, but with this one, because the buttons are already placed in there, I feel like it lets you know where to place it so that way both sides are even. I got the baby carrier on. So this is what it looks like with my daughter in it, and I actually like them both. This one, I like how it feels a little bit more compact and smaller, so I feel like this one will be good when we're out and about, because the other one I wore at the mall the other day and it just felt like very massive. Like, I mean, all carriers do, but this one just feels compact with this style of carrier, and I love the color. I love the way it looks. It doesn't look super bulky or anything. She looks like she's content in it. She is still very small. She's only 2 months, and I actually didn't use a carrier for my first daughter until she was a little bit older. I feel like she was around 3 months when we started using it, closer to 4. So we're actually starting this one a little bit earlier with a baby carrier. I could flip this part up for more head support, but I feel like it's blocking her view, so I just have it down for now because she's at that age where she just likes to look around. She's very alert. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. Come here. Yeah. Oh. Oh no. Here. Huh? Is she okay? Ito walu mi dong sister. Lah. Walu mama dong tu ah. Okay. Mau ngatore. Ngatore tu no. Fishy. Fishy. Kenal? Kenal? Yes. Okay. Okay, mommy. Mama cho con làm nào. Okay, thằng nào trời. Mama cho nó tay. Cho nó tay. Cho con luôn. The other day I went over to my parents and they actually made some yogurt. So my mom packed me a few. I'm gonna enjoy this for my dinner. And then I like to dip it in the sugar cane syrup. There's a certain brand that my sister buys. So this is what I'm eating it with. I just put it on the pan to heat it up, or sometimes you could deep fry it, put a little bit of salt so that it's a little bit more crispier, but I'm too lazy to do that, so I'm just gonna do it the easier way.